Hello friends, in this tutorial, we will learn how to load Excel sheet file data in browser by using PHP Spreadsheet Library. Today Excel spreadsheet is used widely by everyone, because it is very helpful and it helps in saving time consuming. For this here we have made this tutorial, in which how can we display Excel sheet data on web page, and for this we have used PHP Spreadsheet Library. PHP Spreadsheet Library is a newer version of PHP Excel Library, which has been written in pure PHP script, and by using we can read and write Excel spreadsheet file. Now let's start discussing this topic. So this is Excel sheet, which we want to load in browser. First we want to download PHP Spreadsheet Library. For this we have go to command prompt, and go to our working directory. After this, we have write command like composer require php office/php spreadsheet. This command will download PHP Spreadsheet Library. Now we have go to index.php file, and here we have write span tag, with id is equal to message. Under this we will display success or validation error. For make HTML form, here we have write form tag with attribute method is equal to post, id attribute is equal to load Excel form, and encryption type is equal to multi-part form data. This is for upload file. For select file from local computer, here we have write input type is equal to file, name is equal to select Excel. For upload Excel file to server, here we have write input type is equal to submit, name is equal to load. By click on this button, selected Excel file will be uploaded in upload folder, by using PHP script with Ajax. For display Excel sheet on web page, here we have write division tag with id is equal to Excel area. Now we have go to jQuery code, and here we have write $ with form id load Excel form, with on method, and under this, we have write submit event with callback function. So when form has been submitted, then this block of code will execute. Under this, first we have write event.prevent default method. It will stop to reload web page. Now we have start write Ajax request, and under this we have write first option, URL set to upload.php, it will send request to this file. In second option, we have write method, and here we have use post method for send data to server. In third option, we have write data, and here we have write new form data object. It will send data to server, in a set of keys and values pairs. In fourth option, we have write content type, and here we have write false. It will be used when data has been sent to server. In fifth option, we have write cache, and here also we have write false. This is for stop to cache requested pages in browser. In sixth option, we have write process data option, and here we have write false. This is for send non-processed data file to server. Lastly, we have write success callback function. This function will be called if Ajax request completed successfully, and it will receive data from server. Under this function, we have write $, with division tag ID Excel area with HTML method, and under this we have write data. It will display uploaded Excel sheet data on browser. Now we have go to upload.php file, and here we have write include statement, with vendor folder /autoload.php file. Below this, we have write use statement, with PHP Office /PHP Spreadsheet /IO factory. By using this statement, we can use PHP Spreadsheet IO factory class method here. After this, we have write use statement, with PHP Office /PHP Spreadsheet /spreadsheet. By using this statement, we can use PHP spreadsheet class method. Now we have write if statement, and under condition, we have write $files select Excel variable with name index value is equal to blank. Suppose this condition false, that means user has not select file, so it will execute else block of code, and here we have write $message variable is equal to message like please select file. Below this, we have write $allowed extension variable is equal to array with file format like XLS and XLSX. So here only these two extension files are allowed to upload. After this, we have write $file array variable is equal to explode function with two argument. In first argument we have write dot, and in second argument we have write $files select Excel variable with name index. For get selected file extension, here we have write $file extension variable is equal to end function, and under this we have write $file array variable. This function will return last index from array. Next we have write if statement, and under condition, we have write in array function, with two argument. In first argument we have write $file extension variable, and in second argument we have write $allowed extension variable. If selected file extension not found in $allowed extension variable, then it will execute else block of code. And here we have write $message variable is equal to message like only .xls or .xlsx file allowed. But selected file extension is valid, then it will execute if block of code, and here we have write $reader variable is equal to IO factory class, with create reader method. Under this method, we have write XLSX. This method will create reader for read XLSX file. After this, we have write $spreadsheet variable is equal to $reader variable with load method, and under this method, we have write $files select file variable with temporary name index. This method will load spreadsheet file. Next we have write $writer variable is equal to IOFactory class with create writer method with 2 argument. In first argument we have write $spreadsheet variable, and in second argument we have write HTML. This method will create writer. Now we have write $message variable is equal to $writer variable with save method. And under this method we have write PHP output. It will save spreadsheet file in HTML format, which we have saved in $message variable. So, here we have store validation error or Excel spreadsheet content in HTML format, in $message variable. Now we want to send to Ajax request. So here we have write echo statement with $message variable. So here our code is ready to view Excel file in browser using PHP Spreadsheet Library. So we have check output in browser. Friends, here we can see, when page has been loaded in browser, then we can see file tag, and upload button on web page. First we want to check validation. So, we have directly click on upload button. Then on web page we can see in validation message like, select file message on web page. Next we want to check file extension validation. So here we have select non-Excel file, and click on upload button. After click on upload button, we can see validation error on web page. So, here our validation code working properly. Now we have select proper Excel file from our local computer and click on upload button. After click on button, here on web page we can see Excel sheet content on web page. So this way we can load Excel file data in browser by using PHP Spreadsheet Library with Ajax jQuery. Next we will discuss more topic on PHP Spreadsheet Library. If you have any query or input regarding this video tutorial, please comment your query or input in comment box. Or if you like this video tutorial, please share with your friends. Or even you can also share on social media also.